Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Last week, we used number lines to help us add. Today, we're going to use a 10 frame to help us add. So this is just a different tool to help us learn how to add our numbers. So I want you to get a red and blue crayon. So please get a red and blue crayon. If you have to push pause to find your crayons, that's fine. Push pause and then push play. Okay, so we are going to start with the first number and we're going to put that many dots in our 10 frame. So our first dot is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 dots. Now we're going to take our next crayon and do that many dots. So we only need one blue dot. So if I have 8 red dots and 1 blue dot, my 10 frame is almost full. How many do I have left over? I have 9. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing on the next one. We're going to take our red crayon and do 2 dots. So do 1, 2 red dots. Then take your blue crayon and we're going to do 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I look at my 10 frame, I have 2 plus 4. How many total 10 frames are of how many squares are full? There's 6. Very good. Now let's do it again. We have 3 red dots. So do 3 red dots. Now we're going to do the blue ones. So we're going to do 3 blue dots like this. And when I have 3 red dots and I have 3 blue dots, how many do I have total? I have 6. Very good. Okay, next, please take your red crayon and do that many red dots. So we have 5 as our first number. So please do 5 red dots. So we know that it's going to be the entire top row. Now, take your blue crayon and do this many dots, which is 2. So 1, 2. And when I do that, how many dots do I have on my 10 frame? I have a total of 7. 7 dots on my 10 frame. So the answer is 7. Okay, we have one more that we're going to do together. We have 6 plus 3. So first we're going to do 6 red dots on our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to do the second number, which is 3. So I'm going to do 3 blue dots. 1, 2, and 3. So when I do 6 plus 3 on my 10 frame, that leaves me with how many dots? 9. So, oops, that's in red. Let's do it in black. The answer to this equation 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, so now let's look at the back side. The back side is, we're going to practice our subitizing. And subitizing, we've talked about, is when we just know the answer to how many we see without having to count each one of them. So there's a bunch of fingers, and on each box we're going to write how many fingers we see. So we have a whole hand plus 2 more, so 5, and then 2 more is 7. On the next one, we have 3. Look at the next hand and tell me how many fingers you see. Let's see, 4. Then look at the next one. We have almost all of our fingers except one of them is still down, so we have 9. And then the next one has one less than that, so that answer is 8. Look at the next one. That one's real easy. Just 2. The next one is also pretty simple. When we hold up a hand, we have 5. And we hold 2 hands up, we have 10. Look at the next one and tell me how many we have. 6. And the last one is just... All right, boys and girls, good job with your math today.